Dude, symphony. Worst weed I ever had. Oh, that bird took that guy's. Did you see that? It took his food from his head. Did you see that? No way. I caught it on. You can actually connect your Twitch Prime to your Amazon account to get a free subscription to my channel that gives you the emotes. I'm viral emote, the ego emote, all of them. I actually did 500,000 views overnight my first day on the internet because I said, you know, all I know is funny and I'm gonna show these cucks who's the king. You know, these cucks just play a video game all day and they think it's great. Oh, it's, imagine playing just like a jumping game for 24 hours and telling your community, hey, give me your money. And then there's people like me out here.
We don't play games.
You guys don't play games? No. Would you guys date a gamer? Never? Oh my god. Oh my god. I got you. Hey man, how long you been waiting here?
5 minutes.
I got you, man. We're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait. So it's
fucking awesome.
Of course, man.
I couldn't have done by myself.
Hey, what's your name, man?
Justin.
Nice to meet you, Justin. Ready?
Yeah, bro.
Vroom, vroom.
You're awesome.
Hey, where we headed, Justin?
415 West 20.
You know what? I'm the chauffeur. Let's go.
That's the right there.
It's right here?
This block.
Got you. Man, you gotta get out of the rain, dude.
I know.
Ooh, look at that bike. Yo, should we take that bike? I heard it's free if you steal it, Justin. Oh, it's a nice bike.
You're a madman.
Yeah, no, for real. Tifu? Is your name Tifu? Dude, you know gaming, Twitch TV, live?
No, I don't.
Tell me that's not Tifu. Hey, Turner. Hey. Let's go up this way. Oh, it's a monitor. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, I've never seen such a dinosaur. Oh my god. Hey, touch it. One of you guys touch it, I dare you. I'll give you $5. I'll give you $5. Yikes, man. I got the same one at home. And in my pants. I'm kidding. Have a good day, man. Oh, Hans already played some soy aquarium clips of your stream. No! I'm being roasted by that 16-year-old kid.
Is he?
Yo.
You know what 16-year-old boy?
Yo. Yo.
Went to the aquarium with this, okay? He got to see my ass bounce around in this fucking roller coaster.
Chill, I'm going for partnership.
Okay.
I got to see her eyes. Okay.
My eyes.
You know what? I'm gonna replay clips of him being rejected by Novaru 10 times. How about that?
Do it.
Yeah. You know what?
16-year-old
He's gonna be my new alert sound. I swear to God. He wants beef with me. Hello. I'm live. Keck W. I represent Keck W, guys. Keck W. Have a nice day.
Think you're a big boy,
Me?
but you can't do that, yeah? You can't
do
just
what I
film
want.
people down the fucking road like that.
I'm filming myself.
Hey, I don't give a shit.
Help me. Help me. The fuck? Don't get me in trouble, lady. Go away. Oh shit, dude. Woo!
Oh, you guys are great. I'm gonna take like a micro intermission. I have to piss and take some water.
Can I use the microphone one more time?
Oh Jesus! But
I know. Hey, Train. Listen to me. I'm calling out Trainwrecks TV. Disrespect me one more time. See, I don't come with this microphone. Roast.
All right, that was quite aggressive. Okay, I will be back in just a sec. I love you all. Keep the love. Stay here for like 2 seconds and wrap it up.
All right, I have a question though. You guys are against adultery. Look at me. I'm gorgeous. I get approached by so many women. What do you want me to do? What do you want? Not cheat? Am I supposed to not cheat? You know what I mean? There's only one of me. There's like, look at the rest of the dudes, right? Birdie, how do you feel about Donald Trump? Kidding, I'm kidding. Chill. We're chilling out here. We're chilling. Lower taxes or more of a Bernie guy? That's. Oh, now you're not looking at me? Okay. How about Biden, eh? I really want him to be president because, like, I'm worried he's going to get lost at the grocery store. You know what I mean? At least he has Secret Service then, right? Hold on.
All right.
Okay. Hold it all the way.
Okay.
Hold it with both hands. Stiff.
I'm holding it.
Hold it, Daddy.
holding
Okay.
it.
Look. Let me just show you something.
Okay.
I can actually enter so much faster.
This one.
Twitch TV. You know Twitch?
Really?
You know what? Twitter me. Do you have Twitter?
Yeah.
Okay, baby. When you Instagram, I'm banned. I can't.
Take my number.
Yeah, hell yeah.
You just have to cover your shoulders and your hair. That's in Istanbul. I have a lot of family in Istanbul.
No way.
So that was like during Eid actually.
So you probably know Hassan Piker.
Is he like the political one?
Yeah.
See, you know what's funny? Before I started streaming, he bought me on ePal and someone told me I'm not shitting.
Stop, man.
I
Are you
no-
serious?
I'm serious.
Holy shit,
And I
I'm
had
dead.
no idea because I didn't know who he was. I didn't even have Twitch open. I like didn't watch Twitch at the time. And then I was on someone else's stream and they were like, by any chance, were you on like so and so's channel?
Yeah.
And then I'm like I was on a lot of like streamers' channels.
Yeah.
I don't know. And he's like, oh, he's like the political one. I'm like, oh, everyone hated me. Like,
Oh, really?
yeah, because we didn't have the same like views. And, like,
All right.
instantly.
You're not a communist?
So and
Your turn.
hi, Drake.
Drake? I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you. I think I'm being canceled. Am I being canceled, ladies? Whoa. Are you guys laughing at the selfie stick?
Oh no.
You want to see something cool? Look at this. 100,000 viewers.
Oh my god. Oh, are we being viewed right now?
Yeah. Hey, shout out your Instagram. Go. Yeah. Nobody laughs at me. I caught you, sir. Eating a berry. Oh, shit. You're not supposed to eat berries here, but okay. Oh shit. Can I play some music? No, I'll play mine.
Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks.
Yeah.
Just pull it out on
Look,
your phone.
I have to practice offline like you guys did. You probably practice offline.
I didn't. No, that's why I rage quit the first stream and I cussed everyone out.
Oh, are you okay? Oh my god, I caught her on camera. Let's go help. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Do you need a HP potion? No, you know what I want to call you?
What?
Hans. Because you're both so feminine. You're so feminine. Like, you're both so feminine. Hans, you should have started a war with me, dude. Hey, I swear the next week, I'm turning you into a meme like that.
I'm sorry, I don't know what to do, so I have to search.
Google. They don't know, man. They don't know. They don't know, man. Dude, these people are playing Among Us and calling it content, and I'm out here sweating my ass off for fucking, what'd I get, 6 subs? Hey, at least 6 is an orgy, right? At least 6 is an orgy. Hard work. What? 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 What is it, chat? Let me know. Let me know what we're doing out here. Let me know. What is it that we're doing out here? We're not just sweating. What are we doing out here? Huh? Hey, poke? Poke?
No.
Poke laws, right? Hey, that guy's still popping. Is the content better when I'm baked? Let me know. I'm just a natural entertainer. What else do I run? Vancouver. What else do I run? Vancouver. Bing, bing. Let's go. There you go. I'm sorry. I'm made for IRL, dude. People are staring, but like, how can I be ashamed of who I am when I fucked everyone's girl? Okay. Answer the door. Bing, bing. Look at that. Don't die. Yes?
Sorry, it's not allowed here.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's Jacko. You scared the shit.
Jacko_TT donated $2.50. John, you made me see the light, and I promise I am gonna do a 360 and bring more high vibration energy to the stream. Love you, John.
Yeah, when I started this stream, I was giving him a pep talk.
Aww.
I was
Just
like,
kidding, Paints
"Fuck
Champ and
this
Chat
bitch.
Boys."
Fuck that little bitch.